Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to do a product overview on you guys. This is the Napoleon. This is the Riverside, the 36-inch clean face, also known as the GSS36 CF. So this is going to be an outdoor zero clearance gas fireplace. So you will notice the front of the unit is fully stainless, which is perfect. It keeps it from weathering if you're in a coastal climate. You will notice that after 2015, all of the gas fireplaces do now have a safety screen on them. Now Napoleon does a pretty good job. It's a pretty thin mesh safety screen, so very easy to see the fire. It doesn't really kind of give you any type of blockage or anything like that. Napoleon does have various options available for the interior lining. This is going to be shown with the brown stacked brick. You do again have options here. The nice log set, this is kind of like a burnt birch log. It looks pretty nice in here. So again, this is the Napoleon, the Riverside, the 36-inch outdoor zero clearance gas fireplace. Hope you guys found this product overview helpful. If you do like our videos, don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.